don't get your vehicle in puddles. Not this kind of puddle, that's not gonna hurt your car. But we've had numerous situations. I've talked to customers recently where they've driven through water. One of them had a motor hydrolock. Okay, what does that mean? That means the motor sucks up water into the engine and locks up the motor, and now you're replacing an engine. So when you're driving through, you don't know how deep that water is, don't go through it. Because if you do, that water can there's modules underneath, there's modules in wheel wells on some of the cars, there's modules under the seats. So if you get into water that is taller than the bottom of the car, you can start getting into where that could cause major damage. And we're talking thousands, not hundreds. So do not drive through water. If you're unsure how deep it is, go around the water, find another way around. It's well worth the 5 or 10 minute time waste to avoid major damage on your car.